So one, I really agree with everybody. I don't see a future where you have like all USD, right? I just don't see that happening. No less because of what is happening with China right now, right? And China is such a big player in the African space. And China is committed to kind of removing like USDC flows from some of those like Africa-China flows. And a lot of the African flows terminate in China, as you know. A lot of the OTC dealers in Africa are Chinese, right? So yeah, I just don't see any sort of like that happening, too much of that happening, right? But your question on the rules, I think there's always going to be a place for local currency, right, on chain. So right now on and off ramps, you do USDT to local bank accounts, right? Using a local currency stablecoin in that flow obviously gives more visibility, makes it technically easier to do, makes it more transparent, makes it faster, right? So I think that's obviously like a good start on that, but that's definitely not the only role of local currency stablecoins, right? Local currency stablecoins are going to do everything money can do. Because in the end, it comes down to, is your vehicle liquid enough? Is your vehicle priced properly? And is your vehicle accessible enough? Whatever that vehicle is, bank accounts, stable coins, it doesn't matter what the name is. If it's the most liquid, the best priced, and the easiest thing to access, that vehicle is going to win in whatever vertical it goes into, right? And I think, there's room in interbank switching, there's room in derivatives, there's room in payments, there's room everywhere. It just depends on, one, regulations, and two, the players, how we shape up this ecosystem.
Yeah.